Understandable naman siguro dito aso, or dito malamay pa. Kamu na yun.
Woo! Friendship!
And then friendship unites us together. So that's it. Here's the form of the
Another. Tonight's friendship. Thank you. Tonight's friendship is not stop hopping. Friendship is stop lifting. Si Mac! Behave. Eh, ito mga action star din mo sa atabangan eh. Ano po na kayo ang score? Ed, activity. Angie, the singer, the singer.
together, the beautiful song